Also on the coronavirus front this week, we learned COVID booster shots may be needed as soon as this fall. More research is still being done. Right now, hundreds of COVID-19 studies are happening inside Mayo Clinics across the nation, including here in Arizona. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg talking to the top expert leading these studies.
We have a very, very large number of studies.
Dr. Andrew Badley is the head researcher for all of the Mayo Clinics as they're working on hundreds of studies for COVID-19, including right here in Phoenix. One study is on reinfections.
We are seeing that there are a number of patients who are reinfected. That number is low. We are seeing that there are a number of patients who get a first infection despite having been vaccinated, and that number is low.
There's also questions about booster vaccines and if or when we'll need them. New information indicates possibly as soon as fall, but trials are still underway to determine that. Dr. Badley says Mayo Clinic is looking into if those who have had cancer, transplant, or certain underlying health conditions will need a booster more than others.
Your original question was, are there populations who would be more likely to benefit from a booster? And we're looking at that as well. So there are populations of patients, typically with chronic medical illnesses, whose immune responses are impaired for one reason or another.
And for those who are vaccinated, you may be wondering, how many antibodies do you have? Well, right now, the recommendations from the CDC is to not measure antibody levels as part of routine care.
And the reason is, no matter what that number is, it doesn't change recommendations for individual patients. The recommendations are try your best to avoid exposure to potentially infectious people. If you have symptoms that are compatible with COVID disease or SARS-CoV-2 infection, to seek early diagnosis and early treatment.
Dr. Badley adds, we're not past the pandemic.
I believe we will continue to see new cases for months to years moving forward.
In Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.